Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm talking about one of the new Mintay paper collections called Day by Day. This collection is actually inspired by COVID-19 isolation. Pretty much everybody around the world has had to be isolated for a certain amount of time, and this collection is perfect for scrapping those isolation memories, and it's also really suitable to homeschooling or working from home or being at home and the day-to-day sort of routines that we do, and that's why it's called Day by Day. And let's have a look here. We've got Everyday Matters, Lifetime Moments, Start each day with a grateful heart, Count your blessings, not your problem, Binge watching, bookworm mode. So it really is a unique collection. It's got some beautiful colors in this collection. You can see that there's quite a few different shades of grey. There's that soft pink that Corolla must really like to use because she's used it quite a bit in her collections. And the elements, let's just take a quick look at the elements in the collection. So you've got laptops and iPhones, books, glasses and watches, cups of coffee, alarm clocks and floral clusters, leather jacket, things like this that might be what you will find around your home as you're working from home or studying from home and filling in the time at home. Let's take a look at the 6x6 scrapbooking paper pad. Inside this paper pad there are 12 designs plus the 2 bonuses on the inside cover. The inside cover ones I particularly like these ones here with the notepads and the pens and the paper clips. And then let's flick through the paper pad and see some of the designs of the pages. This is a beautiful door picture. And on the reverse, lots of windows. Here we've got a living room picture with some lovely wallpaper and wainscot paneling. And then we've got a distressed wall here, an amazing staircase with fairy lights, some distressed tiles. Here's your floral cluster page with the dark grey and a rough distressed polished cement floor. The floral cluster with the lighter colours. And then this gingham on an angle, I like this. Then you've got your little tiny pictures with the frames on the back. But the frames in this collection are quite different. They've got the notepads in them as well. So let's just have a flick through. You get 4 designs, 4 copies of each design. So there's plenty of paper there for you to cut without having to worry that you're going to run out of this paper or whether you should use it for this section and not for that. You can relax with your creating because there's plenty of copies of paper for you to use in the 6x6 scrapbooking paper pad. Let's take a look now at the big 12x12 designs, which are exactly the same as the 6x6 but on a larger scale. So here on the back of this front page, you've got all your fussy cutting elements that you can cut out and you can add to your creations. And let's take a look at the paper number 1. Now these doors that Corolla puts in her collections are just amazing, and it actually inspires me to paint my front door because this one, look at this, jet black. So it looks very, very regal with a spiral staircase up the side there. Something my sister used to always want, a spiral staircase. We had one once in one of the apartments we lived in. And there you've got your window page on the back. Alright, so that was number 1. Let's have a look at number 2. Number 2 is the lounge room page. It's got the wallpaper and the lounge with the books and leather jacket, plants, and on the back you've got that distressed cement rendered wall. This page is really quite amazing. I really like this tunnel of staircase with the fairy lights, little table here with a coffee and a book, having some quiet time. I can't say we had much quiet time during COVID. We were busy keeping our children entertained. This is a floral cluster page, which is the dark side, and then you've got the polished cement floor there, and then you've got your floral cluster with the light background and the gingham on a diagonal cross there, which I really like. Then this is the 3x4 note card, and I'm interested in the pictures here. We've got notepads with the phone, the pen and the time. We've got lights, books, piles of books, coffee and croissants, the laptop, nice screensaver on the laptop, beautiful clock, coats hanging up, lots and lots of planners piled up there. And then on the back we've got like a notebook here, which is different. This is different to Corolla's other collections. She doesn't usually do like a spiral bound notebook. And we've got paper, and then we've also got some frames, but they're not the usual frames, they're more like a Polaroid frame. So that's a little bit different to this in this collection. What would you make with this collection? I can see a lot of scrapbooking being done. What about planner decoration? This would be perfect for that. I look forward to seeing what you create with the Day by Day collection by Mintay Papers. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel for lots of Mintay creations. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.